So, the other day, I got a comment from a viewer about changing the ringtones on the BlackBerry. And his comment was, or she, well, either, I don't know. But the comment was, how do you change, like, the sound when, like, say, your mom calls you? So I replied back and told him, like, well, I can't really answer your question, like, right away because I switched from a BlackBerry to an iPhone. But for the sakeness of this video, I stole my sister's BlackBerry. Pretty neat. She got this red one from AT&T. It's pretty cool. Might keep it. I don't know. But anyway, so yeah, the first thing you need to do is press the button with the dots on them. Make sure you're on the home screen. Let me back it up here so you can see my hairy white leg. In the background is the same thing with the BlackBerry. You scroll to your address book. Now, if you have your contacts saved to a SIM card, make sure that you transfer them, or should I say copy them, into the address book of the phone memory. That'll be the best thing to do. Now, first things first, let's say, okay, I want this ringtone for, like, when my mom calls. So what you do is, if I can find her, here we go, mom's cell phone. You click on mom's cell phone. Make sure you're here. And you click on the button with the dots on them. And I don't know if you can see that right, but it'll automatically have you on the edit. You go to edit, and it will take you to this menu. You know, you can put up a nice picture of her. Like, I used to have her and my dog just, like, sleeping together while she was on the couch. And my dog is just, like, looking at her because she was snoring. Pretty funny. I have a video up on that. It's pretty funny. But what you want to do is, like, you scroll down, all the way down, and you will not see that option for, like, a personal ringtone. You won't see that option. So what you're going to do is you press the button with the dots again, and it'll bring you up to this menu. And right here, the first one is help, second one categories, save, add email address, add custom ringtone, add picture, show symbols, switch input language, switch application, and close. Now you want to put your custom ringtones. Just click on with the trackball. You go up to the add custom ringtone. You click on it, and there goes the option all the way at the bottom. Right now it says custom ringtone, and it says it'll sound as the AT&T tone. So all you have to do is click on it again and start browsing. I hate that one. Ah, yeah. That's the theme from Legend of Zelda, from the Nintendo system, Nintendo era. You just click on it with the trackball, and now it's a custom ringtone for when your mom calls. Now, it's a save. Press on this button again, and it'll automatically have you on save. Just click on save with the trackball, and now, for argument's sake, have that certain person call you, and I hope this helps. If you're not clear on some things, just hit me up, and I'll be glad to help. Thanks. Bye.